Ever wonder how to transform an old piece of furniture into a stunning work of art? Well, today, delve into the fascinating world of furniture upcycling, specifically focusing on a quaint and charming distressed look for an antique chair. To start, gather all necessary materials. For this project, you'll need an old chair, sandpaper, a paintbrush, chalk paint, a rag, and clear wax. Step 1. Prepare the chair. Begin by giving the chair a good dusting and a clean. Use a damp cloth to remove any grime or dust particles. Ensure the chair is completely dry before moving on to the next step. Step 2 involves sanding. Gently sand the chair to remove any loose paint or varnish. This process gives the chair a smooth base for the paint to adhere to, and it also aids in achieving that beautifully distressed look. Remember, the aim is not to strip the chair completely, but to roughen the surface. Step 3. It's time to paint. Apply a layer of chalk paint using a paintbrush. Chalk paint is excellent as it sticks to virtually any surface without much preparation and gives a lovely matte finish. Allow the paint to dry thoroughly. Step 4. Distress the chair. Using sandpaper, lightly sand the areas of the chair where natural wear and tear would occur, like the edges and corners. The key is to make it look naturally aged, not forcibly distressed. Step 5. Seal the paint. Apply a layer of clear wax with a rag to seal the paint and provide a protective coating. This step also adds a subtle sheen to the finished product, enhancing its aesthetic appeal. In summary, the process involves preparing the chair, sanding it, painting it with chalk paint, distressing it for an antique look, and finally sealing the paint with clear wax. It's a simple, cost-effective way to breathe new life into old furniture. The benefits of this DIY project are numerous. Not only does it allow for creative expression and the satisfaction of creating something beautiful with your own hands, but it also promotes sustainability by giving old furniture a second chance instead of ending up in a landfill. Plus, it's a great way to add a personal touch to your home decor. So why not give it a try? Unleash your creativity, make sustainable choices, and transform your old furniture into something uniquely yours.